Hey guys, today I'm doing an anime inspired makeup look, kind of like a femme fatale vibe, very bold and sharp like Tommy style. So let's start. First I'm using a primer to blur my pores, mostly around my cheeks, forehead and chin, since I do have acne and texture there. This helps make everything smoother before foundation. Then I go in with foundation. I spray a little setting spray on my flat foundation brush first so the foundation blends better. Just blending is all over for a smooth, even base. So guys, blending is the key. So take your time to blend the foundation, concealer, eyeshadow. Next I apply concealer under my eyes, around my mouth, nose, forehead and chin. Basically wherever I have darkness or pigmentation, then I blend it out with a small concealer brush. After that, I quickly set my base using loose powder and a big fluffy brush. My face creases easily, so setting helps lock everything in. And वैसे भी concealer जल्दी crease करता है, so you have to set it with a loose powder or any face powder. Now I am adding a soft coral mauve blush on my cheeks, nose and chin. I know this look doesn't need much blush, but I still like a little color on my face and it fades away, so it wouldn't look too bright. I will save highlighter for the end. And now I am doing contouring. So contouring is very important step and it might take a lot of your time, but your face look very chiseled, very snatched, so it's very important step. For eyebrows, I brush them with a spoolie first, then fill them in with a dark brown shade. After that, I go over them again with a spoolie to blend everything and make them look soft and even. Moving on to eyes, I start with a neutral transition shade in the crease and blend it out really well. Take your time blending, it makes a big difference. And now for the fun part, I apply a thick wing eyeliner. I use a tape to help get that sharp edge. This is what gives the whole look that anime vibes. And on the lower lash line, I am using a light grey eyeshadow instead of black. I blend it out so it looks soft. Then I sharpen the inner corner with a black eyeshadow to give that fox eye effect. And after that, I apply 2 or 3 coats of mascara on my both upper and lower lashes to make the eyes pop. And for lips, I go with a mauve lip liner to shape my lips, then fill them in with a mauve pink lipstick. And it's a nice match for the whole look. And lastly, I throw on my fake bangs and that's it. This is my full anime inspired femme fatale look. And last में जो highlighter बाकी था वो भी मैंने apply कर लिया. That like highlighter that give you shine and very glowy kind of look. So this is my final look. Let me know कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye.